లైక్ హౌ టు టీచ్ దానికి డీటెయిల్స్ గురించి ఆమె మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. కానీ ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా ఎందుకు మనకు సడన్ గా స్టేట్ కి ఇది రియలైజ్ అయింది ఫౌండేషనల్ లెర్నింగ్ లిటరసీ కోసం? ఎందుకు మన స్టేట్స్ లో our state rank was 28 only.
28.
And how many districts we have? What was the rank of our district? అంత పూర్ ఉన్నాము మనము. అంటే కోవిడ్ అయింది, అది అయింది, అదే it impacted every part of the country. And I think this NAS survey was done in 2021. Okay. So మనము అంతా పూర్ ఉన్నాము. లైక్ మొత్తం దేశంలో if we see now our district stands last. Are we so poor in our foundational learning and numeracy? If that is the case, then it is actually like a very poor situation. Because Nenu Kuda am trying to visit schools and all. So some schools lo this time our pass percentage in class 10th was also poor only. It was 78%. Muttam state lo second last place lo. 32nd. So Hyderabad one country I think last. So we were just before that. So what mistakes these students are doing? I was talking to some students who failed in class 10. Class 10 lo kontamandi fail aina. Till now they cannot even read the question of their question paper and understand it. How do we expect them to write the answer appudu? Ippudu kuda valliki ade question chadivi ardham kuda raadu, appudu ela vallu answer rastaru? Adi okati. They got confused that 1.5 hour is for physical science, 1.5 chala mandi science lo fail ayinaru. Physical science and bioscience. 10th class student who is at least 15 years old, how can he get confused? Paina any instructions untundi kada ki samayam enti 1.5 hour marks enti ante next ela confuse aitaru. Idi 15 year olds adi chinna vishayam. These are the reasons that I am getting ki enduku chala mandi fail ayinaru. That 10th class ki, but then I stopped going to 10th class. I started coming to first and second class because akkada ki adi paristhiti enduku undi kyunki mana first and second class lo what we should have taught adi jaragadam ledu. So now I don't go to high schools, I come to primary schools because if we teach here properly and if the children start learning from here itself, atlanti problems emi raadu. Madam was telling us one very nice thing ki ela writing foundational learning ante reading with comprehension ante ardham ravali and writing ade writing kaadu ki meeru board meeda rastunnaru vallu copy chestunnaru, ade writing kaadu. I was telling that I suddenly remembered my school time ki my school also from 5th or 4th standard I think I moved to a new antarmundu na school kuda it was like a not so good school. Then tarvata I moved to a good school, better school. So from first day what the teacher did is the teacher taught in the class. Then tarvata oka prashna discussion jarigindi, like first question, so this is this, so everybody was telling answers. She was writing like a diagram petti, she was writing ki oka diagram ki okay this, then 1 2 3 4 she was discussing. Okay. And after that she suddenly left and she said ki Repu all of you write the answer and come. I got so scared, like intaku mundu nenu eppudaina swantanga answer rayalenu. Teacher used to narrate in the first question answer. So he was a boy and the boy went to school, so like that he used to tell and I used to copy down. Anta naku I knew that much only. Then the first time teacher told just discussion jarigindi and told ki Repu andru rayasisi ravali. It was a very scary time. I didn't know how to do. I took help from my brother and all. It took me almost 6 to 7 months and at least I think we can say we complete 1 year to exit. Atlante pillulki paristhiti kuda undi. Now for our students where we go and teach, they come from very underprivileged families. They cannot expect help from a brother or mother or father. So we have to put one extra effort. It will take them 1, 2, 3 years. Kani idi నేర్చుకోవాలి. But they should learn this. We should not get used to those 50 question banks or the guides atlanti vastundi. They should not get used to all those cheap books. They are destroying the entire learning culture in our country. Rather, they should try to write themselves. Emaina rayali, whatever they are writing, you tell them next day ki okay, copy check chestamu na ki homework ichina copy check chestamu ki okay, so you have written this, kani idi correct kaadu malli rayandi. Itlanti I remember the role of many of my teachers in my life ki when I came to this new school adi cheptunnanu అక్కడ ఒక ఓరల్ సెషన్ కూడా జరుగుతుంది వీక్ లో. దట్ డే ఇట్ వుడ్ బి ఓన్లీ ఓరల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ స్పీకింగ్ క్లాసెస్. ఐ వాజ్ వెరీ అండర్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్. ఐ హార్డ్లీ యూస్ టు స్పీక్. మై టీచర్ కాల్డ్ మీ వన్ డే. షీ కాల్డ్ మీ. షీ వాజ్ అ వెరీ నైస్ టీచర్. షీ వాజ్ లైక్ చాహత్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ గుడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ రైటింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్, బట్ వై ఆర్ యు ఫీలింగ్ సో అండర్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఇన్ స్పీకింగ్? She counseled me for like 15 minutes and you can do it, at least you should try it. And it's not like that other people are speaking very well, you should try it by yourself. I still remember that teacher to my day, and had she not motivated me that day, today also I would have been an underconfident child. This is the role of a teacher. These students, many of them come from very poor underprivileged background. We should not expect that their parents would support them or they will be there. Kani, we should not have that mindset that they cannot do anything. Like many of us also have that mindset that tribal పిల్లలు కదా, వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ రాదు, ఏమి రాదు వాళ్ళకి. We should never have that mindset. Every child is special and every child can do a lot, provided we provide the adequate support to them. We have to nurture that child. A child is just like a clay. It is a very nice saying. ఎలా మనము మోల్డ్ చేస్తే అట్లాగే ఉంటారు. If we just keep that clay like that, it will remain like that. But if we mold it into a good shape, it will become a good personality in the future. And believe me, the child will always remember you. Ki mana na oka teacher unnaru, ayana naaku itlage chepparu. And because teachers are a very big role model for the students. How you conduct in the class, how you tell in the class, it impacts them a lot. వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ ఇంపాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. So I think we have this training sessions. Normally ఇట్లాంటి చాలా trainings జరుగుతుంది, కానీ take it seriously. Please take it seriously. It becomes a tendency that we don't take training seriously. అట్లాంటి జరుగుతుంది. It is going on because there is a really need for it. మన జిల్లాకి performance మొత్తం like not even in our state, it is very poor in our entire country, and it is impacting the entire life. Like first, second, third, if they don't learn, they will never learn. If they don't learn this basic literacy and numeracy, that impacts them 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, degree, future. 10th తర్వాత maximum drop out అవుతారు, ఇది పొలం పని చేస్తారు, అట్లాగే చేస్తారు. That will be their future. So now you have the opportunity to either shape their future into doctors, engineers or something, or atlante ki kuli pani chevallu or the sheeps and all they will take. I'm not saying that's a bad job, but just that they can have a very bright future. So please take this training seriously. And దాని తర్వాత మన books కూడా ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంచి ఉన్నాయి. Like our books are not like it used to be. Now the books have so many బొమ్మలు ఉన్నాయి, cartoons ఉన్నాయి. They have also specific instructions like this we can do. So అది కూడా మనం implement చేస్తే it will be a good achievement. And please focus on each and every child. You will have 30, 40, 50 students in your class. Try to know every child personally. कि ఆయనకి స్కూల్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి వస్తారు, చాలా దూరం నుంచి వస్తారు. ఓకే, సో హౌ మెనీ సిబ్లింగ్స్ దే హ్యావ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్స్ సిచ్యువేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మదర్ సిచ్యువేషన్, ఫాదర్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ట్రై టు నో దెమ్ పర్సనలీ ఆల్సో. దట్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ కనెక్ట్ విత్ దెమ్. We will also try like I think third Saturday మనకు usually go back day and parents రావాలి. So this thing even we will try to implement. Third Saturday we will try to motivate parents to come to school so that you can discuss with దెమ్ కి ఎంత ప్రోగ్రెస్ అయింది. కొంతమంది పిల్లలకి ప్రోగ్రెస్ తక్కువ ఎందుకు ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళు స్కూల్ కి రాదు, 2 days they will come, 2 days they won't come, then again they won't come అట్లాగే. సో this thing we can discuss with parents also. He is doing very well. Always start in a motivational way for parents also. He is doing very well. He has a lot of scope. He has learned this much in this many days. Kani, he is not coming to school for last 3 days. Why is it happening? So he can learn much more. So this is only my request to all of you. Please take this seriously. There is actually need for focusing on foundational literacy and numeracy. And dan tarvata velli please implement in your schools also. So that in next year's survey, this NAS survey is a very credible survey. Next year's survey, our state's progress and our district's progress should not be so clear. Okay, thank you so much.